If you love muffin recipes and you're looking for a new one, then this is the video for you. I'm showing you how to make banana bread muffins. Tastes like banana bread, but it's in muffin form. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. This is one of my absolute favorite recipes. It's banana bread muffins. It tastes like banana bread, but it's in muffin form. You can add nuts or chocolate chips or anything that you want. It's super portable, super easy, and they are freezer friendly. These are fantastic. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Start by adding 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil to a large bowl. Now you could also use melted butter or softened butter if you want to use a hand mixer, but I like using the oil because I find it keeps it nice and moist. Plus it's easy, I don't need a mixer. Then you're going to add 2 large eggs and you're going to stir that together until it's kind of nice and smooth. It's going to be a little bit grainy, but you'll just stir it together until it's all mixed. This is such a simple recipe that you can totally make dairy-free if needed by using it. You can use butter or oil or even vegan butter sticks in place of, they all are interchangeable, and the same thing with the milk. You can use dairy milk, you can use non-dairy milk. This recipe is super versatile. Once that's mixed together, we're going to use our bananas. Now I'm using overripe bananas. You want to use the ones that are nice and brown spotted. The more brown spots, the better. Just place them onto a plate or in a bowl and mash them with a fork. It's just easy. They're nice and soft when they're overripe like this. And then once you have them all nice and matched, you're going to add that back into your egg mixture and stir that together. Then you're gonna add 7 tablespoons of sour milk or buttermilk along with your dry ingredients. Now this recipe calls for sour milk. That's kind of like the OG butter term for buttermilk. My mom's recipe calls for sour milk. So you can use buttermilk if you have it. You can use just regular milk or even non-dairy milk and just add some vinegar, or you can make your own buttermilk. I have a post all about how to do that. I will link it down below. But basically you just add vinegar to milk and it turns into buttermilk. For our dry ingredients, you're gonna use a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And then add in a cup of chopped nuts. I love adding nuts to this for a nice crunch, but you could do chocolate chips. My daughter loves that, or you can totally leave these plain. I've lined my pan with liners, and then you're just going to add your mixture. It makes about a dozen. I top it with more nuts just because it's pretty, and then you're going to bake these for about 13 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. I love popping these into the freezer, so it's a quick grab and go breakfast. You can see how fluffy they are. This is seriously the best banana bread recipe turned into muffins. I know you're going to love them. Leave me a comment and let me know what my next banana bread recipe should be, and keep watching for even more recipes.